13 species in genus Nemophila. My love affair with Nemophila. Nemophila. The name itself sounds like something whispered on a spring breeze, doesn't it? It evokes images of delicate blooms and vibrant colors. And for me, it's a genus of plants that holds a special place in my heart. My fascination with Nemophila began many years ago during a visit to Hitachi Seaside Park in Japan. I was awestruck by the sight of rolling hills carpeted in a sea of blue, millions of Nemophila flowers swaying gently in the breeze. It was like something out of a dream. Since then, I've been captivated by these charming little plants, and I've made it my mission to learn everything I can about them. Nemophila, also known as baby blue eyes, are a genus of annual herbs belonging to the Boraginaceae family. Native to North America, most of the species are found along the Pacific coast. They're characterized by their cup-shaped flowers, which typically come in shades of blue, white, or purple, often with delicate markings. These charming blooms usually appear in the spring, adding a touch of whimsy to any garden. A closer look at Nemophila species. There are around 13 recognized species of Nemophila, each with its own unique charm. Some of the most common ones include Nemophila menziesii. This is perhaps the most well-known species, often referred to as baby blue eyes. It boasts beautiful sky blue flowers with white centers, creating a captivating contrast. Plant FAQs. Nemophila menziesii, baby blue eyes wildflower. Nemophila maculata, also known as five-spot. This species is easily recognizable by its white petals adorned with 5 purple spots. It's a real showstopper in any garden. Plant FAQs. Nemophila maculata. Nemophila parviflora. This species has smaller, more delicate flowers compared to its relatives. Its pale blue blooms add a subtle touch of color to woodland settings. Nemophila pedunculata. This species is known for its creeping habit, making it a great ground cover option. Its white flowers with blue centers add a touch of elegance to rock gardens or borders. Nemophila pulchella. This species has stunning deep blue flowers with white centers, creating a striking contrast. It's a popular choice for adding a pop of color to gardens. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I admire Nemophila. My admiration for Nemophila goes beyond their aesthetic appeal. I'm drawn to their resilience and adaptability. They're relatively easy to grow, thriving in a variety of conditions, from sunny meadows to shady woodlands. They're also incredibly versatile, adding a touch of magic to gardens, borders, and even hanging baskets. But what truly captivates me about Nemophila is their ephemeral nature. Their blooming period is relatively short, a fleeting reminder of the beauty and fragility of life. It's a reminder to appreciate the present moment and to find joy in the simple things. Nemophila in my life. I've incorporated Nemophila into my own life in various ways. I cultivate a small patch in my garden, eagerly anticipating their arrival each spring. I also enjoy incorporating them into my artwork, capturing their delicate beauty in paintings and sketches. For me, Nemophila represents hope, renewal, and the fleeting beauty of nature. They serve as a constant source of inspiration, reminding me to appreciate the small wonders that surround us. In conclusion, Nemophila may be small and unassuming, but they hold a powerful allure. Their delicate beauty, resilience, and ephemeral nature have captured my heart, and I believe they have the power to enchant anyone who takes the time to appreciate them. So, the next time you encounter a patch of Nemophila, take a moment to admire their simple beauty. You might just find yourself falling in love, just as I did.